Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply duration on all photos in CapCut PC. Okay, without adjust duration one by one like this. Yeah, it takes a long time. So before you add the photos, you can set in menu, select settings. Okay, select edit and set image duration. For example, change 1 second for one clip. So select your photos or images, select edit, and you can see for one clip and 1 second for a time. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.